Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the magic of quick meals, specifically dinners that will blow your mind in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about mouth-watering dishes like creamy garlic shrimp and colorful stir-fried veggies. Fast food doesn't have to mean boring, so let's jump right in. Let's take a quick step back in time. The idea of whipping up meals in a flash isn't just a modern trend. It actually goes way back to when families needed to gather around the dinner table after a long day. With busy lives, people started getting creative, making meals that were both quick and tasty. Fast forward to today, and thanks to prepped ingredients and smart cooking techniques, we can whip up gourmet meals in a fraction of the time. First on our quick menu is creamy garlic shrimp. Imagine plump shrimp swimming in a luscious garlic cream sauce. To make this, you just need shrimp, garlic, cream, butter, and maybe a sprinkle of parsley for that extra touch. Sauté the garlic until it's golden, add the shrimp, and once they turn pink, pour in the cream. Serve it over pasta or rice, and you've got a dish that'll wow anyone at your dinner table. And hey, if you decide to try this out, I'd love to hear your thoughts on how it turned out. Now, let's switch gears to stir-fried veggies. You can throw in any veggies you have: broccoli, bell peppers, or even some snap peas. Toss them in a hot pan with a splash of soy sauce and garlic, and voila! You have a vibrant, crunchy dish ready in no time. Now, let's get back to our topic. I hope everyone has shared their thoughts on the creamy garlic shrimp. If you're craving quick and flavorful meals, check out the boiling crab in the USA for garlic butter shrimp, or Din Tai Fung for their stir-fried veggies. Asian-inspired stir-fries and shrimp dishes. Fast food elevated. So there you have it. 15-minute magic that'll have you and your guests singing your praises. Remember, cooking fast doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or fun. Love food? Follow us for more recipes, tips, and all things delicious. Hit subscribe and let's cook up something amazing together.